My name is Farida. I'm 16 years old. I play violin. I have been studying in Afghan National Institute of Music for 3 years. Then I come to Portugal with our group ANIM by help of Dr. Sarmast. And actually at home, one of my uncle, he's also an artist, he used to listen to classical music more. And I was like always hearing the violin. When Dr. Sarmast asked me like, which instrument do you want to take? And I said violin. So then from that moment, I started to play. Playing music is a crime in Afghanistan now. Music is just an example that is banned in Afghanistan. But lots of things is getting horrible in Afghanistan, especially for the women, that nowadays they can't even go outside. They can do nothing. Like they have to cover all their body, their face, even their eyes now. As a girl, life for you in Afghanistan is like a hell. There's nothing that I think in our religion book, that is Quran, that says that music is banned for everyone. No, it's not. Actually, you can play, you can listen. Whenever I'm playing, especially the songs that are from Afghanistan, there is a connection always. It's just bringing back memories that I had with my family, with my friends, and the tradition that we have. And I think it's the beauty of music. Yeah. We are all together playing music, and to show that all the world that the Afghan music is still not stopped, and we are keeping this to bring back to Afghanistan one day. For me, the pure sound is when we are like all together, fighting for one thing and raising our voice together.